Hello friends, today we are taking where WERE था थी थे होता होती होते unde. This word WERE is used for the plural एक से ज़्यादा. If you are showing the more than one persons, then where is used. Here I have taken the singular and plural. My nephew, my nephew, my nephew, my nephews. एक से ज़्यादा. Our sister, our sisters. Your aunt, your aunts. His uncle, his uncles, her cousin, her cousins, their daughter, their daughters. Here, WERE used for the plural here, not singular. सिंगुलर के लिए यूज नहीं करते, उपयोग नहीं करना चाहिए. WERE किसके लिए? एक से ज्यादा प्लुरल बतलाने के लिए, एकापेक्षा जास्त दाखवण्यासाठी WERE वेअरचा उपयोग करतात. जसे इथं बघूयात आपण. वेर आवर नेफ्यूज ऑपरेटर्स, हमारे नेफ्यूज. नेफ्यू बोले तो क्या है? भाई का लड़का. एक रहे तो नेफ्यू, एक से ज्यादा रहे तो लड़के. हमारे भाई के लड़के ऑपरेटर थे क्या? Were our nephews operators? Yes. Your nephews were operators. हाँ, तुम्हारे नेफ्यू ऑपरेटर थे. No. Your nephews were not operators. तुम्हारे नेफ्यू, तुम्हारे भाई के लड़के ऑपरेटर्स नहीं थे. अभी here we are taking the WH questions. How to use on the basis on the where WH questions we are seeing here. Where कहाँ, ekkada, कोठे. Where my sisters senior doctors. मेरे सिस्टर एक से ज्यादा सीनियर डॉक्टर्स कहाँ थे? Your sisters were senior doctors in गांधी हॉस्पिटल. तुम्हारे बहना सीनियर डॉक्टर्स कहाँ थे? गांधी हॉस्पिटल में थे. यहाँ पर व्हाट, क्या, एमिटी, क्या, काय. What were your aunts in मुंबई? तुम्हारे आंट्स, तुम्हारे चाचा मुंबई में क्या थे? मी चिन्न अम्मलू मुंबईलो एमुंडे. तुमचे आंटी मुंबईमध्ये काय होते? Our aunts were commission agents in मुंबई. हमारे आंट्स कमीशन एजेंट्स थे. कहाँ थे? मुंबई में थे. फ्रेंड्स, वी आर टेकिंग हियर WERE वेर, होता, होती, होते. एक से ज्यादा. वी आर टेकिंग हियर दिस वन. एक से ज्यादा, नॉट दिस वन. आई एम शोइंग ओनली to make to understand to you. I am taking this one. We are taking plural. Now come to the next one. अभी who, यहाँ पर who, कौन, यवरू. कौन, who were his uncles, उसके अंकला कौन थे? వాళ్ళ अंकलू यवरू, उंडे. उस त्यांचे अंकल्स कोण होते? एकापेक्षा जास्त अंकल्स. हिज अंकल्स वेर लेक्चरर्स, उसके अंकला लेक्चरर्स थे, एक से ज्यादा है। अब विच, कौन सा, कौन सी, कौन से, ये भी, कोणता, कोणती, कोणते। विच वेर हर सर्वंट्स, उनके सर्वंटा कौन थे, उसके सर्वंटा। हर, वी आर हियर यूजिंग फॉर द फेमिनाइन जेंडर, लेडीज के लिए हर। उसके सर्वंटा कौन से थे, है नहीं है, थे, कौन से थे। दे वेर हर सर्वंट्स, वह उसके सर्वंटा थे, वह ते तिचे नौकर होते। వాళ్ళు ఆమె యొక్క నౌకర్లు, జీతగాళ్ళు ఉండే. These were, I have told, these, those, that, this. Here these were her shops, you can say like this. Those were her animals. Which were her animals? Those were her animals. Which were her cows? Those were her cows. Which were his drivers? They were his drivers. You can say like this, where के लिए. Why? क्यों? ఎందుకు, 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 कशाला, ఎందుకు, क्यों. वेर, why, कहाँ, क्यों. why were their cousins in court, उनके, where, why, here why, why were their cousins in court, उनके, उनका, उनकी, उनके कजीना कोर्ट में क्यों थे. their cousins were in court because they were liars, उन्हों लायर है, इसलिए उन्हों कोर्ट में थे. why were their cousins in court, त्यांचे कजिन कोर्ट मध्ये का होते. వాళ్ళ కజిన్లు కోర్టులో ఎందుకు ఉన్నారు. देर कझिन्स वेर इन कोर्ट, त्यांचे कझिन कोर्ट मध्ये होते कारण ते లాయర్స్ होते. వాళ్ళ కజిన్లు కోర్టులో ఉన్నారు ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు లాయర్లు. నా హూజ్, किसका, किसकी, किसके, ఎవరి, कोणाचा, कोणाची, कोणाचे. whose daughters, किनके लड़कियां, यानी కూతుర్లు, ఎవరి కూతుర్లు, वर कैशियर्स, किनके लड़कियां कैशियर्स थे, ఎవరి కూతుర్లు క్యాషియర్లు ఉండే. कुणाचे मुली कैशियर्स होते. देर daughters were कैशियर्स, उनके डाटरा कैशियर थे, उनके लड़कियां कैशियर थे, వాళ్ళ అమ్మాయిలు క్యాషియర్లు. ఇది సూచించడానికి హూజ్, ఎవరి. వెన్, ఎప్పుడు, ఎప్పుడు, క్యౌహా, క్యౌహా, क्यों, कब. when were his sisters teachers, उनके बहना टीचर कब थे, उनके बहना टीचर कब थे. his sisters were teachers, उनके बहना टीचर थे कब. when we were students of high school, जब हम हाई स्कूल के विद्यार्थी थे तब उसके बहना टीचरा थे. when were his uncles in Mumbai, his uncles were in Mumbai when we were in Delhi. where, when were their teachers in Masjid, their teachers were Masjid at 4 o'clock. when were their parents in temple, their parents were in temple at 5 o'clock. when were ministers on the road, ministers were on the road at 10 o'clock. like this friends, What I am saying is that when we are using where, जब आप where WERE का उपयोग कर रहे तब ప్లూరల్ ఆనా चाहिए. ఒక్కటి కంటే వచ్చేటప్పుడే పేర్లు ఒక్కటి కంటే ఎక్కువ వచ్చేటప్పుడే WEREది ఉపయోగించాలి. I am repeating this sentence again and again. So friends, what should you do? Subscribe my channel, share with friends, like it and comment friends so that I can get encouragement. Thanks friends.